கனமென திகழ்வலத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Prabhakar, can you start welcoming?
Nice to see you, all of you, in the screen. We thank every one of the participants who joined at the top time. Okay. Now, the brief introduction of this conference is the virtual conference is going to be held today and tomorrow, mainly at the time of Dr. Ravi Kumar and our President Karuppanan. This session is divided into 3 sessions. The morning session of 17th and the evening session of the or afternoon session of the 17th today. And 18th morning we have another session. We divided into 3 sessions. Each session will be coordinated by 3 persons. Today's session is coordinated by Dr. Ramesh Babu and another one is Vijay Raj. And the afternoon session will be coordinated with Ravi and Ajay Kumar. And third session tomorrow morning will be coordinated with Dr. Bali and Robert Pakanchanan. With this brief introduction, I welcome all and again I request our President to talk about our TPPS virtual conference 17th and 18th.
Morning. On behalf of the President, Secretary and the Office for the Association, we welcome all.
Morning, sir. இல்லையே சார் இதுல வரலையா சார்
We welcome Dr. Ravi Ramkumar and Ravi Ramkumar and Ravi Kanojia for this virtual conference. We were trying to have the conference earlier, but due to this COVID and other problems, we are starting today. I thank Dr. Prabhakaran who has taken much time to arrange this nice conference. On behalf of us, we welcome you for this conference. Welcome.
With this brief introduction, I like to call Dr. Ravi Ramkumar, President IAPS, to inaugurate the TPPS conference 2021. Dr. Ravi Ramkumar, please.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning to all of you. Warm greetings from the city of Mumbai, which has been kind of raining and a very wet and soggy city as of now. It's always a pleasure to be part of TPPS Con, and I've been associated with it for many years. And it is always a great learning experience from seniors as well as junior colleagues. I always love interacting with all of you, and I have great many friends for years together in the TPPS chapter. It's one of the most vibrant chapters of the IAPS as a state chapter and has been contributing to the development of pediatric surgery for many years. So on behalf of Indian Association of Pediatric Surgeons, I would like to thank TPPS Chairman Dr. Karuppanan and Secretary Dr. Prabhakaran to organize this meeting on a online platform, which is the way forward for the current COVID pandemic. I hope you all are very well vaccinated and have taken care of all your family members as well as your staff who are properly vaccinated and taking all the proper precautions to keep safe and healthy throughout this period. I welcome everybody to join this meeting and enjoy this meeting. I declare the conference inauguration.
Thank you. Next.
So with thank you for a nice introduction, nice appreciation of our work, sir. Now we welcome Dr. Ravi Kanodia, Secretary IAPS, to deliver his inaugural address.
Thank you so much. I put forward my heartfelt thanks to the entire team of TPPS, including the President, Dr. Karupanan and Dr. Prabhakaran. We can already see that there is almost more than 70 participants who have joined so early this morning. And the program is fully loaded with pediatric surgery, and all the papers are there, a lot of orations are there. So it's a very well managed program, and it is, I think TPPS is one of the most sought after conferences which people look forward to. Pandemic has locked us up in our homes, but I think this is the next best thing for having a conference with this virtual platform. And I wish all the very best to all the organizers, and the scientific program is definitely going to help our trainees and students to have a lot of learning in pediatric surgery. I once again thank all the seniors and the office bearers of TPPS for letting us join this conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So it's from Prabhakaran, Secretary TPPS. Is a final note of the welcome function. Almost a Thanksgiving of the welcome function. We'll thank all the TPPS members who are presented here and also going to present. And we welcome all for the virtual conference 2021. It's the first of its kind in our Tamil Nadu. I hope it will be the last one also. No more virtual conference. If that means not continuing with the virtual conference, the pandemic should be ended soon. Hope our pandemic will end soon. It is nice to see you all in the screen, and hope you all will enjoy this conference with good academic peace in the upcoming hours from July 17th and 18th. And the program goes from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and with the lunch break and tea break also. And tomorrow morning also we'll continuing up to tomorrow lunch. Okay. With this, I am handing over the mic to Dr. Ramesh Babu to coordinate with the conference schedule.